Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now this is a short special video about the newest variant of concerns of the SARS-CoV-2 coronavirus, the Omicron variant. It was first discovered on November 11th in Botswana, and then on the 14th it was identified in South Africa and 2 more cases in Hong Kong later. As of November 25th, more than 100 cases have been identified across the globe and mostly in South Africa. As I make this video, no cases have been identified in the United States. Scientists worry about this variant because it has 32 mutations on the spike protein alone. For comparison, there are only 9 changes in the spike protein in the Delta variant. This Omicron variant does not appear to link to the Delta variant and is likely mutated over time in one individual. So Dr. Jeffrey Barrett, the Chief Scientific Officer at Nightingale Health, posted this graph on his Twitter account. Each row represents a different mutation. The left-hand column is the location of the changes. The right-hand column or color correspond to what we know or don't know about those changes. Red means bad. Basically, there are 9 mutations on Omicron that we've seen in previous variants of concern. And purple, these are new mutations. That is, we have not seen in other variants of concern, but we have lab data suggest that they are a threat. Yellow means probably something because of their location, but we don't know what they mean yet. We have not seen it in other variants of concerns previously. Blue means we have never seen these changes before. They may mean something or may not mean something at all. We don't know yet. We need more data. And green, this is a mutation that has been present in all of the variants since early 2020, so it is not to be of a concern. Now, slide from South Africa Health Ministry presentation on November 25th nicely summarized the potential impact of the mutations. Basically, the Omicron variant has mutations that could increase transmissibility and may escape antibodies from either vaccine or infection-induced immunity and increase severity. The Hong Kong authority published a report of the 2 Omicron cases. The first case in Hong Kong was a 36-year-old male fully vaccinated with 2 doses of Pfizer COVID vaccine in May and 2nd dose in June. He was traveling through South Africa from October 22nd to November 11th. Before returning to Hong Kong, he tested negative on a PCR. Now, Hong Kong protocols require him to be quarantined once he landed in Hong Kong, and on November 13th, he tested positive on a PCR. And a person across the hallway from case 1 in the quarantine hotel was also infected with the Omicron variant. He was also Pfizer vaccinated in May and June 2021, and he was tested PCR positive on November 18th. The bad news about this variant is that number 1, it is spreading rapidly in South Africa. In just 1 week, the Omicron variant has gone from 1% of all new cases to about 30% new cases in a region called Gauteng. And number 2, the viral load from the Hong Kong cases showed extremely high viral load. Now, out of these bad news, there is a small good news is that even though the Omicron variant has so many mutations on the spike protein alone, it still shows up on the current PCR test. That means it can be tracked quickly. Now, so far, we don't know if the Omicron variant can escape our vaccines, and we also don't know if this variant will continue to outcompete the Delta variant like what we are seeing in South Africa. As always, I'll be sure to keep you all updated as we learn more. Now, that is all for this special short video, and I'll see you in my regular updates on Sundays, which is tomorrow. Anyway, take care. Bye.